Alright guys, here we go. So I'm changing the door handle on a 1999 Chevy Astro van. The door handle broke on me and gotta change it. I found a forum online and they said to drill a hole instead of taking off the door panel and the door latch, or moving the door latch. So I went to Home Depot and bought a Milwaukee hole dozer. I also purchased the door handle from Amazon. The brand name is Depot. Looks like a perfect match. Not bad. It feels pretty good quality too. So I asked my friend if I could borrow a hole saw, and he didn't have one, but his advice was to use some oil. Right here I didn't have enough, so I put a little bit more and it started working. So thanks for that tip, really helped out. So here we go, I'm just drilling away, adding more oil as I go on, and my drill is not the best, so whatever, it's all good. I'll leave the link to the forum below. They have like some measurements and stuff. I kind of just winged it. So yeah, so there you can see the top nut or top bolt, and yeah, I didn't have the ratcheting wrench, so I had to just go at it for a bit.
6.5 hours later.
And there we go. I dropped the bolt, but I was able to get it out with a magnet, and shazam. You have to detach one rod, and then that's about it, and then wiggle it out. And here I already put the new handle back in. I got the bottom bolt in, no problem. I had a little bit of trouble getting the top bolt to start, but once I got it in, I was able to screw the rest in with my finger, and it worked out pretty good. So not too bad. Anyway, after that was about it. And here's a little footage of it working. I'll leave everything in the description below. What I use is just the hole saw, a 10mm wrench, some oil. What else? I had a little magnet just in case I dropped the bolt, and that's it. Another job. Hopefully this helps somebody out, because I wasn't about to take apart the whole door panel. Anyway, cheers, peace.